Waterfall Villa occupies an exceptional position, high up on the mountainside in Lemset on Koh Samui's beautiful south coast. The villa boasts scintillating views over the ocean, the surrounding islands of the Angtong Marine Park, and across to the mainland. The property makes the most of the tropical environment, blending seamlessly into the mountain backdrop, embracing the natural features of the location. Lush foliage surrounds the house, which is stylish, natural and unique in design. The large communal pool is surrounded by a beautiful landscaped garden and a small manicured lawn. It is the perfect place for swimming laps or just for cooling down after a long day of sightseeing. Inside Villa Waterfall, wooden pillars, antique furniture and clean white lines create a natural, bright space throughout the property. All the bedrooms feature polished wooden floors, high ceilings and luxurious Thai furnishings. Antique wooden furniture, floor-to-ceiling windows and unique artwork adorn the walls, creating exceptional, intimate spaces. A stone daybed, set on a large natural rock rising through the floor, has pride of place in the master suite and forms a truly unique addition to the room. The bathrooms all have modern fittings and stylish design features, with raised glass wash basins and attractive lamps. One bathroom has literally been built out around the rock formation that existed before the house was built, offering the excitement and anticipation of entering a secret cave. High windows help fill the master bedroom with natural light, and twin glass sinks set on a wooden surface provide a modern touch to an otherwise natural space. An outdoor garden shower makes for a truly tropical bathing experience. The open-plan kitchen contains modern, practical amenities, ideal for those who love cooking. Plenty of workspace and natural light make this kitchen an absolute delight to prepare anything from a light snack to a full meal. When you enter the living area, you are instantly drawn to the back wall of the room, which is actually a 14-metre high granite rock face that runs from the master suite above. Even more astonishing is the waterfall cascading down the rock into the indoor pool, which sits right in the heart of the living area. This living space has floor-to-ceiling windows, vaulted ceilings, tasteful rattan lighting and a vast, comfortable daybed, ideal for afternoon siestas. The large, comfortable lounge area contains a casual dining section surrounded by views on all sides. Dining can also be enjoyed al fresco on the immense wooden decking as the sun sets in a magnificent array of colours over the ocean beyond. Waterfall Villa is a wonderful place for a complete and genuine getaway and will provide a holiday experience which will stay with you for a lifetime.